Next stop is Tokyo and Mount Fuji. Good morning, everybody. Bill from Armstrong Adventures. Finally made it to Tokyo. It's an early day for us. We're up. Excursion with me at 8 o'clock in the morning. We're already in the auditorium waiting for our group to be called. We're gonna go visit Mount Fuji. I'm not quite sure. It's about a 9-hour excursion. So I don't know how long we have to drive to get up there. I don't know, but we will let you know. On the shuttle headed to Mount Fuji, at least the view of Mount Fuji and Lake, I don't know the name of the lake. I'll try to put it in.
It's so close, brother.
And this is going to be a long trip. It's going to be about a 2-hour ride to our first stop, Hoken Open Air Museum. So just sit back and enjoy the views. They had some very unique buildings here. Up, a glimpse of Mount Fuji. We are trying our best to stay healthy on this trip. This is Japan's first outdoor sculpture park. It opened in 1969 and has over 1,000 pieces of artwork. All right, our first stop is Hoken Open Air Museum. It came with a free brunch. So it was a buffet style. It wasn't bad. I had some noodles and some plant-based meat. So not bad. On this tour, we only had about an hour to view the artwork. Not nearly enough time to see all these pieces of work. Who is that I see? Let's get a closer look. Okay, I don't do enclosed places, so I let B Weezy go down and check out this artwork. Yeah, just like I thought. I'm so glad I didn't go down here. I'm getting anxious just looking at these clips. This piece of artwork made me think about the group, The Time. What time is it? Some of the artwork, they made it like a playground for kids. And nope, I don't do mazes. All right, that was a fascinating trip through the open air museum here. Headed back to the bus, have to be there at 12:50. It's about 12:48 right now. Now we're headed to Mt Fuji. This is what I came here for. Another part of this tour was to get on a little ferry boat and get a better glimpse of Mt Fuji. A swing? Don't mind if I do. Be careful of that pirate ship. You can tell by the white caps that it was getting a little windy out here. The waves are getting rough, and it was starting to get cold. Not gonna lie here, 2 hours of driving up here, and this is the view we have of Mt Fuji. Yeah, I was a little disappointed. We had some better views driving up here than we are when we're actually here. I was not a happy camper. It was at this point I wish I had taken a tour of the city of Tokyo instead of this. Bye, Mt Fuji. Yeah, there won't be a next time. All right, we just got off the ferry. We're supposed to take the roadway up to the top of the mountain here. Right there, we're supposed to take a all the way up to the top, but it's too windy, so that has been canceled. Now it's time for a sake tasting. They canceled the cable car, so they put us off at a restaurant and they have some sake tasting. You get like, it looks like 5 samples for 800 yen. Don't ask me how much.
500 3 coin, 800 5 coin.
No, this one. This one. See, she did the same thing. We were looking at that case. I was really trying to get those crazy. No beer. No.
Oh boy. Now after the sake taste testing, yeah, it's time to sit down. Maybe I need to get some food now. But it was delicious. Had a couple of sweet ones that I liked. I don't know if I'm gonna buy a bottle. Probably not, because I can't get it back on the ship. So, B Weezy bought a bottle and got it back on the ship. No, that boy didn't go out and buy a bottle of sake. I don't know what kind he got. It's probably, there was a brand in there that they were saying that President Obama tried it here. So yeah, I think that might be the one he got, because it was a decent tasting one. So I don't know. I'll ask him when he gets back. He ran off someplace. Heading back to the ship now. Here at the cruise terminal, we have some pretty nice views. I really do wish I had gone to see Tokyo. This is the Luminosa house band. They were good. They were really good.
For the work I do, I pass almost every penny on to you. And when I come home, oh, I know I'm gonna be the man. Who